no idea why, but I feel a bit, I don't know, strange about the Mini leaving home. Good morning. So today's a bit of a sad day because, well, the Mini's going. So I'm just packing everything into the Mini now, or just about to start. Just got home. Because yeah, the guy's coming to collect it in a second. So I've recently, well, pretty much packed everything into it now. It's just a few final bits. We're going to head over with it just to make sure it gets there okay. And yeah, I don't really know how to feel at the minute, but it'd be weird not to have it here. But anyway, let's finish packing. Okay, so the rear fan, the rad, the wiring, the pedal, everything's in. It's a bit of a mess in here still. Obviously, everything needs to go back in. But I'm pretty sure everything that needs to go is in here now. Got the start of the rear engine mount, which is going to get fitted once it's on a ramp. So yeah, a bit of a troll. It's not actually going anywhere. Well, it is, but it's not sold to anyone. I'm just taking it over to Slideways. So I've got a friend coming to pick it up in a low loader. And once he's picked it up, we're going to go over to the garage and, well, take it to its new home, I guess, for the next couple of months. And whilst it's there, I will be going over to video and probably help them do some work on it, because obviously I still want to be involved. It's just stuff that needs doing now I don't think I can do. Or I could do, but I wouldn't really feel too good about doing it. So they very kindly suggested that it goes over there to get finished, which is perfect. And when I spoke to Ant, who owns Slideways, he was super excited to get his hands on it and get stuck in. So some stuff to look forward to. I couldn't be happier. I trust them way more than my own work, and obviously they've got all the tools and the know-how to do it. And they work on cars, well, they work on some pretty select special cars all the time, so this should be a walk in the park for them. I've no idea why, but I feel a bit, I don't know, strange about the Mini leaving home, going to somebody else's garage, and it's a bit of a weird feeling. But I'm excited to see, the end result and to see what Slideways can do with it. I think it's going to be really good. Some good things to come, I'm sure. So I will see you when we get back to the garage.
So they're both hydraulic engines.
Going well though, considering it's not
Oh, and you're dragging me doing very well. Very well. Very well.
looks like it's in the way.
Yeah. Engine's level, and the shafts are straight, you're halfway there.
Yeah.
That's the hard bit, like. That's the hard. Get the engine level and the shaft straight, that's hard. And the engine doesn't touch anything.
I did use a spirit level.
Having the bollocks to sort of put the chassis open now.